Find anything surprising about this disease that can decay the team from the inside out and destroy your team and reduce productivity? Well, keep in mind that unfortunately, these behaviors and this culture installed with the team takes a lot longer than you think. It might not be even weeks, it could be months to unravel some of this culture. One thing though, a good thing, is if you're a top leader within your company or your group, you can set the precedent within your group and really set an aggressive change that you want and you want to foster within your team. The good news is that all of the teams can actually get better. Take the small incremental steps to get there, going from the bottom of the pyramid, which is trust, and working your way to the top. This might even just being vulnerable about your insecurities or your inefficiencies, or maybe some opportunities of growth within yourself. First, to making sure people are okay at expressing themselves and understanding their strengths and weaknesses, but working within the team that might have a strength that they have opportunity for themselves, but they can work together to making sure the product still gets out. If this is a problem, start that conversation now. Get the conversation going. Again, good luck. But I'm confident that you, with these techniques, these items in this video, you'll be able to achieve your goals. Thanks again. Appreciate you watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like my video, and I'll see you next time. But this is assuming we built a foundation of trust